Hey guys, so in my Beyonce cake video, I asked you which celebrity you like to see me make next in a cake. And you guys said, Ariana Grande. What? Now I only have about say 20 minutes. My day is really busy today, you guys. I'm in quarantine. You know, I gotta watch TV. I gotta go to my room, watch TV on my iPad. Then I gotta eat dinner, and then it's time for more TV again. You know, super busy quarantine stuff. I'm excited about this. I have everything I need. Let's get started. Okay, ready? Just go. Okay, so we're going to start here, cut it in half. Like this. One swoop. Be careful of your finger. You don't want to cut your finger like that. I'm using my skull cake mold because it makes everything super easy, and then I'm just gonna add buttercream into the middle of my cake. Just no time, because I only got 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna shake all the icing down like that. Oh, gotta put on my glove. Okay, icing, 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 icing. It's easier to do it with your hand, so just do it with your hand if you're trying to recreate this cake, and you probably will because my Ariana Grande cake's gonna look bomb. If you haven't already, look at my Beyonce cake. My Beyonce cake looks bomb, looks just like her, right? I'm so good at making cakes, you guys. Beyonce sent me a cease and desist order because she was terrified. Look at that, see? Good. That's a good start. Okay, so like that, cut there. Maybe, okay, I'm gonna cut a little bit more, like that. And here, okay. If I had more time, this would be cake ball dough, but I don't, so we're just going to add fondant to fill in her cheeks, like that. And her eyes aren't gonna be that sunken in, so we're gonna add some fondant here. So I'm gonna make this tiny. I gotta cover her face in fondant. Oh. Roll it out. God, this is the worst part. This takes so much time. I wish I pre-rolled it so I had more time to work on the cake. Okay, that's perfect. So we got our fondant. I'm gonna just put it over on the head like so. Oh my god, this looks exactly like Ariana Grande right now. Okay, so I'm just going to push the excess fondant underneath. I tried to match her skin tone as much as possible, but the lighting, again, just like the Beyonce picture, is always different. So pull this away. Tuck the mess underneath. Right? It's like when you have dirty clothes, you just put it under your bed, just like that. You're doing the exact same thing with the cake. Oh, what are with these cheeks? Her cheeks aren't that big. I gotta push it. Cheeks are too big. Oh god. It looks like she has a mouthful of marshmallows. She's playing the Chubby Bunny challenge? No, that's not what I'm going for. Right? And then her eyes go like this, right? Just really work on the bridge. Make sure that it's just as big as the one in the picture. So we're good. We're doing well. Look at this. I don't want to look at the clock too much because then I'm going to get sad. I gotta make sure it's symmetrical. Because Beyonce's eyes, one was lower than the other, and that really bothered me in the end. That and almost everything else I did with the Beyonce cake bothered me. And she has like this really nice eye shape. It's so exotic. Look at that eye shape. Oh my gosh. Okay, one eye is down. I'll fix it with makeup, it's fine. Look at that! How it goes like this and like that? Oh my gosh. I wish my eyes were shaped like that, but they're not. I just got normal people eyes, I don't got celebrity eyes. And then we got the second eye going in. What? Oh, her ponytail. Okay, so, I mean, how do I do this? Oh, I know what I'll do. I'm gonna use this as like the band, whatever this is. It's what, her hair? She tied her hair in a, okay. Okay, so like that. We're just gonna do that. Add some texture like this for her hair. Hair texture, right? And we're just going to put it there. Like that. Oh, it's too big. Actually, I'm gonna put it under this, so it's like that. And oh my god, it's not long enough. This looks like that guy from Street Fighter with the 4 arms. You know what I'm talking about? Or is that Mortal Kombat? We'll add some hair here, and then we need a little bit of hair texture, just so people know that it's hair. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful cake. Okay, so we gotta add this, because this is her ponytail. Is that actual hair? I don't know what that is. So her hairline, I need to make her hairline match. What kind of, how do I, is it like that? Okay. And it goes in a little bit, so like that. 3 minutes. Oh my god, I'm running on time. I thought I was gonna have so much more time. I don't want to make sure there's no bald spots. Ariana Grande doesn't have bald spots. Okay, so her lips, there. Oh, that's actually a nice color. A little too dark, but that's okay. It's like a very romantic crimson. How come all these celebrities have really complicated wings at the end of their lashes? That makes my job so hard. Okay, and then she has a little bit of like underlash. I don't know what that's called. I think it's an underlash. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't realize that. I'm running out of time. Oh my god! And oh good. Her eyes. I forgot Beyonce's eyes last time. I don't want to forget Ariana Grande's eyes. The left eyelash looks terrible. Oh my god. At least she doesn't have a red eye like Beyonce. Oh my god. The eyebrow. It's like it starts here. And oh god, it doesn't even matter now. I got 10 seconds. Okay, like that. That's good. It's good enough. And then this eyebrow. These eyebrows don't match at all. Wow, that doesn't look terrible. That's like an exact replica. I don't even know which one is a picture and which one is a cake. The hair actually looks really good on camera. In person, it just looks like terrible pieces of fondant. 20 minutes? This is a pretty bomb cake for 20 minutes. I'm curious, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate this? I actually think this is probably like a 3, maybe a 4? I'll say 3. Now let me know in the comments what you think and what celebrity you'd like to see me create next. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you. I'll see you very soon. Bye.